Alright, yeah, I'll be showing you how you can draw the isometric view of this object as we are given the orthographic views in third angle projection. It means that this is the plan and this is the front elevation. This is the plan and this is the front elevation. And what I'm going to do here, because the dimensions are very large, as we have that in this in this plan, we have the distance from here to here to be 150, and the thickness of this is 25 millimeters, and this is 24 millimeters in the plan. And then here in the front elevation, we have distance from here to 110. This is 25 millimeters from here to here, and from here to here is 40 millimeters, and from here to here 50 millimeters, and from here to here is 10 millimeters. And then the angle at which this line inclined is 30 degree. And as I said, I'm going to draw half of this half of the size, or half of the given dimensions. So I'll be producing the isometric view as I said. So let's go and see what we are going to do. Before that, this is the lowest point as we are told here. So we need to make use of this point, as we are told that this is the lower point A. So we need to make use of it. So let's look at what we need to do here to get this done. So what I'm going to do first is that here I will draw a horizontal line. And I will draw a line in this direction. And then I will draw a line in this direction like this. Okay, so this is point A here. So here is point A. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to, if you look at what we have here, this is a rectangle in the front elevation, and this is also a rectangle in the plan. It means that we are going to have a shape that I'm going to show you now. Just look at what I'm going to do. So here we draw a vertical line. Then I will take a measurement. So instead of 25, I'll be taking 12.5 millimeters. Instead of 25, I'll be taking 12.5 millimeters. So 12.5 millimeters. It may not be easy to get, but let me see. So this is 12.5. So at this point, I will draw a vertical line. So here, I will draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay. So then, the distance from here to here is 110. So 110 by 2, that is 55 millimeters. I'll take a measurement of 55 millimeters here. So this is 55 millimeters. So here I will draw this line. So I draw this line. So in this direction. So I draw this line like this. So this is the rectangle that we see in the front elevation, which is this rectangle. What about the rectangle, this rectangle in the plan? So what I just need to do is to, so I transfer this. So I transfer this point to this side, and also I will transfer this to this side. Okay, so I believe you have understood what I'm doing. So as we are told that this rectangle here is 150 millimeters, so 150 by 2, I give us 75. I'll take a measurement of 75 millimeters from here. 75 millimeters from here. So this is 75 millimeters. So here I will draw a line in this direction. Then I will draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so I'll draw a vertical line like this. So then I will also draw this. So this is how this is going to look. You can see what we have done here. So this is the rectangle in the front elevation, and this is this rectangle in the front elevation, and this rectangle in the plan is what we have here. So we are done with that part. So the next thing that we are going to do here now is that we need to draw this shape here that we see here. And if you look at it, it's in the middle of the plan, so it should be around here. So what I'm going to do is that I need to get this center line. So I will divide 75 by 2. 75 by 2 will give me 37 37.5. Okay, so 37.5. So this is 37. So 37.5 is here. Okay, so I will draw, so here, so I'll just draw this line. Okay, so and then I will draw this line in this direction from here. I will draw this line in this direction like this. Okay, all right, so I believe you can see what I'm doing. So now, and looking at what we have here, in the front elevation, we have that distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. I'm drawing half, I'll just take 5 millimeters. So this line should have been drawn at this point. So I'll just transfer it. Don't worry, I'll just transfer it. So this is 5 millimeters here now. So I will transfer this line, bring it down here. This is where I need it. I don't need it up here. So here I will draw it like this. All right, so this is where I need it. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is that as we have that the thickness of this thing is 25 millimeters. So 25 by 2, that is 12.5. So 12.5. So if I come here, so I will need to draw a line. At this point, I will draw a line in this direction. As you can see here, so 12.5. 12.5. So I'll just make it 12. So I'll just make it 12 because if I'm to divide 12.5 by 2, it may not be easy, but I'll just take it like this. So this is 6. Okay, just let me make it. I have this point. Okay, then so this is 6. So here I have this point. So it will not be easy to take. So here I will draw this line from here. So I'll draw this line in this direction, and here I will come here and draw this line in this direction like this. Okay, then at this point I will draw a vertical line. So I'll draw a vertical line down here at this point. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I will take a measurement. So as we have that distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. From here to here is 40 millimeters. So I will take 20. Instead of 40, I will take 20 millimeters. So I just take 20. So this is 20 millimeters. So here I will draw this line. So I draw this line forward like this. Now, so then we need to get this line. This line, we need to get it from here to here. We need to get it. So how can we get it drawn here? So what we need to do is this. And so I did it here, but I'm going to show you how to go about that. So just come here. Okay, just let me use this to explain. Or let me do it here so that we can all see it together. So in case you want to do your own, so I will draw a vertical line here. Okay, so I will take a measurement of 55 millimeters from this point. 55 millimeters from this point. So this is 55. This is 55 millimeters from here to here. And I will take 5 millimeters down. So here I will draw a horizontal line. Here I will draw a horizontal line. So what I'm doing here is that I just need this part like this. I just need this part, the orthographic view of this part. That's what I need. I'm not going to draw the whole thing. So then I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters down. 20 millimeters, then I will draw a horizontal line here like this. So I draw a horizontal line like this. So with this horizontal line that I've drawn, so the horizontal line that I drew here is for normally you can draw a horizontal line out of this. So I want to get this point. That's what I want to do. So I'll just take my compass. Sorry, not compass. So the line is inclined at an angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. So I'll just take my set square. So 30 degree side, I will set like this. So I set it like this. Okay, I set it like this. From this point I'll just draw, so I'll draw this line from here to here. So this is what I need. This is what I need. So what I just need to do now is to take my compass. So I put at this point, just take the distance from this point here to from this point to this point here. So I just take it from here like this. So and then I will extend it here. Okay, so this point I will have here is this point here. So what I just need to do is to put it here, and I make an arc here like this. So that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to join this together. So I will join to this point. I'll join them together like this. So I form that. So that is what I need here. So the next thing I'm going to do here is that I will draw a vertical line from here. So vertical line from here to here. Alright, so and then I will now draw a line from here to here like this. So what do I want to use this for? I need to produce this shape that we see in the plan. I need to produce it. So and then the thickness from here to here is 64 millimeters. So I will divide 64 by 2. That is 32. And then so 32 by 2, that will give us 16. So I will take from this center here, from this center here, I will take 16 millimeters to the right side, 16 millimeters to the right side. This is 16 millimeters here. Okay, then I will take 16 millimeters from the center here. I will take it to this, to the left side. So this is 16 millimeters here. So what I just need to do here now is that I will draw this line. So this line will go in this direction, and this line will also go in this direction. So then as we have here that the distance from here to here is 50 millimeters. From here to here is 50 millimeters. So I will just take 25 because I said I'm drawing half. So I will take 25 millimeters. So this is 25 millimeters here. So here I will draw. So I will draw this. So I draw this to this side. This comes here. Then from here, from this point, I will draw a vertical line down here. Here also, I will draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line down here. And I will come here also, I will draw a vertical line here. Okay. Now, the thickness from here to here is 40 millimeters. Half of 20 is half of 40 is 20. So I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters down from here. So this is 20 millimeters. So I will transfer this. Yeah, I'll transfer this to the other side. Okay, so I'll transfer this to this side, and I will transfer this to this side. Alright, so the object has come out. So what I need to do now is to make this line. So this line will be a thick line. So let's see. This line will be a thick line, and this line also is a thick line from here to here. So this is a thick line, and also so from here to here will be a thick line. From here to here is a thick line, and also this line from here to here is a thick line from here to here, and this line from here to here will be a thick line. I believe you can see what I'm doing. So and from here to here is a thick line. So I made this a thick line, and I'll also make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so with what I've done here, so this line is a thick line from here to here. So this line also is a thick line. So this is a thick line, and I'll make this line. Okay, so it's a thick line from here to here. Okay, so this line will also be made thick. Okay, so this line is also a thick line. So this line will be made thick. Okay, so and then this line too, from here to here will be a thick line, and this line to move from here to here as a thick line, from here to here as a thick line, and this line be thickened. This line is a thick line, so this line also is a thick line. So this line be drawn thick. Also this line here is also a thick line from here to here. So this line, okay, and this line, also this line. Okay, so you can see the object has come out, and this is how it will look. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Once you practice it, you definitely know it and master it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. God bless you.